Now we're going to listen to students talk about a very important life skill. Everyone wants to have style, but the most important style is a healthy lifestyle. With a healthy lifestyle, life can be lived to the fullest. This is a critical life skill. Please welcome these healthy students, Udit Paracharla, Arya Bharti, and Nikhil B.
Hello, my name is Arya Bharti.
I'm Udita Paracharla.
I'm Nikhil Mandina.
Today we're going to be talking about healthy lifestyle. Carbohydrates are a main source of energy that are broken down inside the body to form sugars like glucose. Bad carbohydrates are all processed foods like flour, cookies, cakes, donuts, noodles, etc. Good carbohydrates help control weight as it is high in fiber. High in fiber carbohydrates also improve digestion by cleaning the intestines. Some examples of good carbohydrates are whole grains or vegetables like sweet potato, carrots, cabbage, turnip, and etc. Proteins help to make hormones and enzymes and repair tissue. Protein is also the building blocks of muscle, bones, cartilage, and skin. Protein sources include most animal products such as chicken, fish, pork, and bone broth. Beans and lentils are also a good vegetarian source of protein. Fats are organic molecules made up of carbon and hydrogen elements joined together in long chains called hydrocarbons. Also, fats in our bodies store energy, insulate us, protect our vital organs, and help in hormone production. There are mainly two different types of fats, saturated and unsaturated. Unprocessed fats are considered very healthy, like butter, ghee, and coconut oil. Fermented foods. Apart from good nutrition, fermented foods help increase the number of healthy bacteria in our body, named probiotics. Probiotics help digest food better and also produce chemicals like BDNF, brain-derived neurophobic factor, that are important for the brain's health. Examples of fermented foods include yogurt, kefir, kimchi, and sauerkraut. Vitamins and minerals. All leafy vegetables and organ meats, liver, kidney, heart, are a very good source of vitamins and minerals that are needed by the body and lots of biosynthetic pathways. Water is essential to all life on Earth, and to maintain a healthy lifestyle, one must drink at least 2 liters of water a day. So why is water this important? Water is needed by every organ in your body. Without water, they would not be able to function properly as needed to complete in daily tasks. Water is also very important for your body to regulate its temperature. This is why you sweat when you work out. Your body starts to warm up, so it releases sweat to cool down. This release of sweat also helps detox body of harmful substances and chemicals. Antioxidants. Chronic inflammation in the body due to bad food habits, stress, or lack of sleep leads to generation of free radicals. The free radicals leads to a chain reaction of oxidative damage within the body that leads to diseases. Oxidant foods like blueberries, strawberries, cranberries, blackberries, kidney beans, dark chocolate, grapes, tomatoes, etc. help reduce cell damage caused by these free radicals.
Physical exercise. When you wake up, you should do some exercise like push-ups, sit-ups, and anything else. So during the day, you should just play some outdoor sports, and when you relax, you should do a physical exercise, and then for your limit of physical exercise, you should do 30 minutes of exercise per day. So if you try to play video games they might increase stress and violence levels. So you shouldn't play them. And then so if you're bored or frustrated, just walk or run or do anything else, but don't play video games.
What does it mean to be relaxed? The ability to relax is in efficiently managing stress and anxiety. When we feel stressed, our bodies react to something called fight or flight the response. Our muscles become tense, our heart and respiration levels increase, and other psychological systems become taxed. A great way to relax is by doing something you all have heard of, which is meditation. If you're not sure how to do so, just follow the steps over there below. You may think this is just a waste of your time. Why not do what everyone else does? Eat, sleep, exercise there and there, or try the new Zumba channel on cable. Those are all great things, don't get me wrong, but there are way more benefits by meditating. A 2007 University of Cambridge study found that people who cope the best with stressful life events had a 24% lower risk of stroke. Stress can kill brain cells and even prevent creation of new ones in the hippocampus, which is a part of the brain where, it's involved with a healthy response to stress. Stress actually seems to change how we weigh risks and rewards and can cloud judgment when we are faced with important decisions to make, such as choosing which college to go to. Stress seems to build up the amount of oil in your skin, clogging up pores and causing acne. Could cause acne. Would you give up your device if asked? Some screen time is an inescapable reality of modern childhood, with kids up to every age watching iPads and smartphones. The effects of using screen in young children. The American Academy of Pediatrics discourages media use by children under 2 and says there is no proven educational development benefit at this age. Screen time also takes away from unstructured playtime, which is more important for learning and problem solving. Tweens and teens. One study found that kids and young adults who spend a lot of time on TV and video games were twice as likely to suffer from attention disorders in adults. Staring into a screen for an extended period of time can cause computer vision syndrome, and some of the symptoms you've already known of, like dry eyes, blurred vision, and just strained eye, and headaches. Poor posture can also cause shoulder and back pain and neck pain. Some shocking facts. Tweens spend less time outside than prisoners. 1 in 4 kids think video games are an exercise. 4 in 5 tweens are on social media by the age of 12. The average age for a child to get their first smartphone is 10, and decreasing at this point. The art of sleep. Sleep plays an important role in your physical health. For example, sleep is involved in healing and the repair of your heart and blood vessels. Ongoing sleep deficiency is linked to an increased risk of heart disease, kidney disease, high blood pressure, and diabetes and stroke. There are a lot of benefits to getting a good amount of sleep. Improve in memory, live longer, spur creativity, improve in grades, sharpens attention, lowers stress, healthy weight, and more energy. Sleep is a really weird thing when you think about it. Sometimes when I'm drifting off to sleep, I'll find myself thinking, there are tens of millions of people right now lying unconsciously in their beds, temporarily paralyzed, experiencing intense hallucinations. And this is just a chart showing how much amount of sleep you should get depending on your age. And I'm guessing everybody in this audience is 12 and above. So 7 to 9 hours, I guess. Okay, thank you. Thank you for your time.